Hello friends. In our last video, we saw how to implement views in SAP UI5 application. And in the view, we have added two controls. One is text control and another is button. So in this video, we will be seeing how to have a functionality for this button for this particular view. In order to do this, we need to have a controller for this entire view itself. So now create it. Under web app folder, create a new controller. Inside a controller, we will be having a new file for this particular view. So I'm going to name it as mainpage.controller.js. Here, the controller follows a specific structure called as asynchronous module definition. If you are not aware of that, I have provided the link in the description. Kindly go through that asynchronous module definition in order to proceed further. So let's see how to implement this. So we have this UI, and which is SAP UI, and we will be defining the modules required for our controller. So here we will be passing an array of modules that is required, followed by what we will have is a function, which is a factory function, which returns an object. So in this factory function, we will be having a map for whatever we have added in the array, that objects will be added in the function parameters as a function to the function. So as I mentioned, this function is a factory function and this will return an object. It will return something. So this is a basic structure of asynchronous module definition. Let's go further. So in this case, we will be having this controller, which is a part of MVC module. So what we'll be taking here is that we will have a first module. Here is SAP/UI/core. It comes out to MVC, and we have controller. So we will be mapping this to the functional parameter controller. So and now we will be passing an that is we will be returning an object which extends this controller. So we have this controller and it is extended. So here what we will have is the file name. So not the file name, that entire path itself. So here it will be like UI5 basics dot web app dot controller dot main page. So this is to be provided, and we can have the main functionalities here. So as I know, we have in SAP UI5 there are the life cycles for the controller. One is on init, on before rendering, on after rendering, on exit. These are the four main lifecycle events for this controller. So let's see how to add a function for this button. So press, and here we will be giving the function on trigger maybe. So this function we will be creating it here on trigger function. On for simplicity, what we'll be doing is alert. So now we have a controller for this view, but there will be a question like how this view and this controller is mapped. So here we will be providing the controller name. So I've added the controller name here and my server is already running. Let's check the output. Button is pressed. So now we have learned how to implement a controller in UI5. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you feel this video is helpful, please like, comment, and share with your friends. Thank you.